wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 9 best boat anchors. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 9. The broad blades on the Danielson 050014 will securely catch hold of both mud and sand at the bottom of most lakes and rivers, making it a popular choice among freshwater boating enthusiasts. Its mid-range 12-pound weight makes it suitable for crafts of various sizes. It comes with a smooth vinyl coating and is relatively easy to release, but it doesn't withstand strong ocean tides. At number 8, the Shoreline Marine Slip Ring is a decent option for the fisherman who wants to keep his boat anchored in a river with a modest current. Its drop-forged shackles effectively dig into mud, debris and stone after just a few feet of drag from natural water movement. It includes a sturdy galvanized anchor chain and is affordably priced. However, it is too light to support large vessels. Coming in at number 7 on our list, the Extreme Max boattector comes with a 3.5-pound grapnel anchor equipped with 4 dedicated shanks that will set smoothly in both rocky and coral environments. A padded nylon storage bag protects both the anchor and foam-constructed marker buoy when they're not in use. It includes 25 feet of polyethylene rope and is a good option for jet skis, but the snap hook is a bit finicky. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for boat anchors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 6, compatible with canoes, rowboats and small sailing craft, the best marine and outdoors kit includes a 40-foot-long anchor line, which ensures improved horizontal drag, a buoy bore and a stainless steel hook that quickly disconnects when you need to leave in a hurry. It comes with a heavy-duty nylon storage bag in a very compact design. However, it tends to rust over time. Moving up our list to number 5. Reliable in all sorts of marine conditions, the Seasense Navy weighs in at 20 pounds, making it heavy enough to keep moderately sized boats in place, regardless of its position on the sea bottom. Additionally, a pivoting shank facilitates quick retrieval. It's a cast-iron construction that supports boats up to 19 feet long, but the exterior coating comes off easily. At number 4, with a carefully designed shank profile, the Rocna Vulcan delivers a range of compatibility that provides a secure fit on a variety of bow configurations, including those of many powerboats. The high-tensile steel construction offers improved resistance to bending. It features a roll palm for quick self-righting and is very easy to use. However, it's a bit on the bulky side. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. Setting the Manson Supreme apart from much of the competition is its use of an integrated roll bar to self-right instead of a heavily leaded tip, allowing weight to be distributed to the load-bearing fluke. The increased surface area ensures superior holding power. It's equipped with 2 slots for use in all seabed types and a durable steel shank. It's available in 5 sizes. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for boat anchors, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, maintain superior control over a vessel's placement in any offshore environment with the slide anchor box. Once it's been tossed overboard, it has the ability to set within 1 foot of its landing without requiring a boat to power itself down first. It folds flat for easy storage and is the ideal option in windy conditions. No chain is required. And coming in at number 1 on our list. Whether the bottom conditions of a lake consist of mud, sand or rock, the norestar Bruce Claw sets easily and remains stable in them all, even through 360 degrees of vessel movement. The curved stainless steel wingtips allow it to roll to the optimal orientation. It's backed by a lifetime warranty in a corrosion-resistant design with a trip-line hole for extra hauling. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for boat anchors, or simply click beneath this video.